All right, today I'm taking a look at this MD5 desktop microphone stand by Samsung. This is actually going to replace my old stand because it ended up breaking, and also it's a little bit too tall for me. So inside the box there's going to be two things. We're going to have the base, which is pretty heavy, and then also the stick, the stand part. So this just goes right in, screw it in, and there it is. So this is going to be relatively small, a lot shorter, which is what I wanted in a microphone stand. It's going to be roughly a little under 4 inches in height. And the diameter of this is going to be a little over 6 inches, kind of like 6.5. And the cool thing about this is on the back side, it's going to have this foam piece all around, opposed to my other one, which had like little legs in the corners. This is going to be fully foam, so you can see how much it sticks out. And so this is what my new stand is going to be replacing. This one was way too tall that when I put it down here and I put my microphone right on top, it just isn't a good height. It's like right there, and I want it to be lower, which is where this one comes into play. And as you can see with this microphone stand, it's gonna be an appropriate distance away from my mouth rather than being like right in front of my face. And it also doesn't cover my face when I have the camera in front of it, such as like this, as opposed to using the other stand and then it being like right around over here, it would just cover half my face. Now this stand isn't adjustable, it's gonna be that size, about like 4 inches or so, whereas this one is gonna be adjustable, so if you're standing up or anything like that, it would be a better idea, or if you just have a lower desk. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Samsung microphone desk stand.